Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Today I'm going to bring you all a crypto update. We all know that there's not a lot going on, but let me tell you, we have another bankruptcy in the crypto industry. So I'm going to talk to you about the bankruptcy, what that's about. I'm going to also talk to you about all you dogecoiners out there. Dogecoin is on a tear. It's up hundreds of percent. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. Then I'm also going to talk about why I believe in crypto and continue to believe in crypto and continue to believe that it's the technology of the future. Visa has continued to make progress, enjoying the end in crypto, and I'm going to talk to you all about that. All right, so first, guys, my name is Ida. If you haven't already, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I am not there. I need your help. Please press subscribe. Okay, all right, so first, before we get started, I want to go ahead and take a look at the overall market. And I want to give you all, I'm going to point out some things that you should be looking for. Okay, so look, I use CoinGecko. Remember, you can see CoinGecko on your cell phone with the app, or you can go to CoinGecko, gecko, like the little lizard. You can do that on your computer, coingecko.com. All right, so first, I look at the market cap, the entire market cap of the crypto, of all the crypto tokens is a little bit more than $1 trillion. So it's $1,061 billion. And this is what I look at up here, that market cap. I look to see if it gets to a little bit over 1 trillion or less than 1 trillion. That's kind of the way I gauge the market. But here's the thing, guys. We've been trending at about $1 trillion for several months. It's been kind of steady at the $1 trillion mark. At the peak, we were at about $3 trillion. So you all can see that we're down about 2/3 or 66% in the overall crypto market. Okay, now let's take a look at dominance. Bitcoin, out of that $1 trillion, Bitcoin represents about 37%. So that's about 370 billion dollars or more, right? And we'll see it down here is really about 397 billion. You can see it down here. And ETH represents about 18% of that $1.06 trillion. So I did want you all to see that there, okay? Let's take a look at the market. I just want to take a look at the top 10 or 20. Bitcoin, it's holding. Bitcoin is holding at about the $20,000 range. That's telling me I think Bitcoin has pretty much bottomed. I really do. I think a big part of the capitulation has happened in the market. I don't think we'll go down much more from here. I don't know. First, let me say this. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you're doing your own research. But I do think Bitcoin has been trending around $20,000 for several months and is holding there. Ethereum is about $1,600. I like one thing that I am buying right now is the BNB token. Right now, it's $314. I'll talk a little bit about why I'm buying BNB maybe in another video. XRP is number 6. Its market cap is 23 billion. Dogecoin is number 8. Dogecoin, the market cap is about $16 billion. Man, that's crazy, because Dogecoin has actually gotten ahead of Cardano in market cap. Cardano is now only $14 billion in market cap, and each Cardano token is selling for about 41 cents. Solana is number 10. Polygon was at number 12 for a long time, or 13. Polygon has moved up to the 11th spot and is holding strong with about $8 billion in market cap. So you all can take a look and kind of see what you like and kind of see where they are. Atom, or the Cosmos, that's another project I've been buying some of. It's 21. It's selling for about $14, and the market cap is about $4 billion bucks. Take a look, you can see, but I like the projects that I'm really interested in right now is BNB, and I own a lot of Polygon Matic, and I have some smaller projects that I do continue to accumulate. They're just speculative plays, but they're projects I believe in. If you watch my videos, you'll know what they are. Okay, now, so let's talk about, we've got a lot of good news, but before we get on to the good news, I want to talk about the bankruptcy. So right now, there's a company called Core Scientific, and Core Scientific makes a lot of its money on Bitcoin mining. Let me first explain to you what Bitcoin mining is. So every time a Bitcoin is created, it has to be mined. Mined meaning it has to be generated. The way that Bitcoin mining works, there's a computer system, and with this computer system, the computer system goes through a process of solving a very, very complex mathematical problem. Once the system solves the mathematical problem, and that problem allows it, solving that problem means that it is confirming the transactions on the Bitcoin network. When that occurs, the miner gets paid its fee in Bitcoin. So miners earn Bitcoin as they mine Bitcoin or solve these mathematical problems. That is how miners make their money. So you understand about the halving. Every 4 years, a halving occurs in Bitcoin, and the amount of Bitcoin that miners are able to earn is cut in half from the previous 4 years. So every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that miners earn gets less and less and less. And that's how Bitcoin mining is occurred. So what these companies do, like a company like Core Scientific, they earn their money in Bitcoin. That's how they earn their pay. So when Bitcoin is worth a lot, they have a lot of money. When Bitcoin decreases in price, the money that they have, the value of their pay decreases, okay? So they own thousands and thousands and thousands of these mining machines, and they're really just computers, because remember, Bitcoin is not a token. Bitcoin is just a software. And these miners, these companies buy thousands and millions of these computer systems, and they use those so that they can be competitive and quickly solve these complex problems so they can earn free Bitcoin. That's what miners do. Well, I think we're getting towards the bottom of the market. When you start having bankruptcies, you start having companies that are no longer viable. They're no longer part of the system. And that's kind of like a good thing, because all of the weak companies kind of get washed out. Consolidation occurs, and then it allows the market to go forward from there. So Core Scientific, they gave a Bitcoin a bankruptcy warning. They're saying that they're going to probably file bankruptcy, Chapter 11. And basically they said, given the uncertainty regarding the company's financial condition, substantial doubt exists about the company's ability to continue. Remember, Bitcoin was selling for about $70,000, but now Bitcoin is only $20,000. So all of the Bitcoin that this company, Core Scientific, earned, their asset values has dropped drastically, right? So that's why their money, they're almost tapped out. They can't afford to pay their bills because they were trying to sell their Bitcoin at $50,000, $55,000 to pay their bills. And now it's only worth $20,000, and they have all of this overhead. The latest development came after Core accused the Celsius network of its inability to pay up its accrued debt after Core expended over $1.65 million to host Celsius's mining operation. Remember, Celsius went under. All those people lost millions of dollars. Well, Celsius they also owe Core Scientific money. And that's a problem. So Celsius is just bad. Thumbs down for Celsius. Core Scientific is running over 10,000 Bitcoin mining machines for the embattled firm. So Core Scientific, just for Celsius, they were running over 10,000 machines. That's a lot of manpower, a lot of energy, a lot of manpower. That's a lot to not be paid for. They go on to say, with the substantial decline in the mining rig prices in 2022, we believe there's a significant chance that the creditors holding this debt decide to restructure instead of taking possession of the collateral. They don't want the collateral, which is the mining machines. They want their money. So what's going to happen, they're going to require Core Scientific, and Core Scientific is traded on the stock market. I'm going to show you their ticker symbol. They don't want the machines. They want their money. They want their lean green money, okay? So Core Scientific, that's putting them in a problem. So basically, Bitcoin saw its last all-time high of $70,000 in November of 2021, about a year ago, and has since dropped to $20,000. That's a huge drop. That's a huge, that's 2/3. That's like more than a 60% drop. And it makes it impossible for the miners to pay their bills. So that's kind of like bad news. Good news is bad because Core Scientific is probably gonna go under, or at the minimum, they're going to have to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy and restructure. Now let's take a look. Here is Core Scientific. They are traded on the NASDAQ. Their ticker symbol is CORZ. So let's take a look. Look at this. Core Scientific in the last year, today, one share of Core Scientific stocks sells for 20 cents. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. 20 cents. A year ago, they were selling for almost $14 or $15. The 52-week high, look down here, is $14.98. So in 1 year, the stock price of Core Scientific has dropped from $14.98 to just 20 cents. So that tells you that they are getting out of the mining business for Bitcoin. You tell me what you think. What do you think that means for Bitcoin? What do you think it means for Bitcoin mining? I'm not sure. You all know what I say. This is not financial advice. Keep your eye on the prize. Remember MySpace? Remember Blockbuster? Most of you all don't remember them, but they were first. They were trailblazers, and they no longer exist. So all I'm saying is, do I own Bitcoin? Yes. Does Bitcoin make up the majority of my investments? No. Did I make the majority of my wealth in Bitcoin and crypto? No. I made the majority of my money purchasing altcoins because for me, altcoins, I bought the technology. Cryptocurrency, remember, is technology. And so I look for projects that have, number one, utility. Number two, I can understand the technology. And number three, I see what that technology could be of value of in the future, okay? So that's all I'm saying about Bitcoin. Just pay attention. We don't know. I don't think Bitcoin is going away, but I'm not sure if Bitcoin is going to be worth $1 million in 20 years. I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. Now, you Bitcoin maxis, don't get all worked up. I'm just giving you my opinion, okay? So there we go. Now, and you see Core Scientific. I mean, I wouldn't touch this stock with a 10-foot pole. It went from $15 to 20 cents. I'm just saying, I don't know. Anyway, so let's move on to some good news in crypto. Visa. Everybody knows who Visa is because everybody probably has a Visa card, a Visa credit card, or a Visa debit card. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on like, subscribe, and share. That was some good information about Bitcoin mining. I explained to you all what Bitcoin mining is, if you didn't know. So I'm trying to reach my 1,000 subs. So go ahead and click on subscribe, and remember, sharing is caring. All right, okay, let me get back on track. Now, Visa files trademark applications covering a range of cryptocurrency products, including a crypto wallet. I'm telling you all, crypto is not going anywhere but up, up, up. You just have to know which projects are going to go up, up, up. I am in crypto in a big way. I'm going to sit tight. I feel good about my investments. I know that some of these crypto investments are not going to make it. That is why I diversify. That's why I diversify. Not financial advice. I have invested in projects that I think are going to make it. All right. So Visa, they're not going anywhere. Guess what? Payments giant Visa has filed 2 trademark applications covering a wide range of cryptocurrency products and services. Not just a little or a few cryptocurrency projects. Visa is going big because they know that crypto is the technology of the future. That's why you got to be in this. Okay, including its own crypto wallet. Okay? The filings also mention crypto transaction management and non-fungible tokens. NFTs are here to stay. If you have not went on Unstoppable Domains and looked down in my link, Unstoppable Domains, you should, I hope, I own hundreds of domain NFTs. I believe they are the future. You believe what you want to believe. Visa agrees with me. Okay. Here is the trademark application. You can see it for yourself. I'm going to also link these articles in my description just so you all can see them. If you want to do a little bit more digging on your own, you can check them out yourself. But look at this. So it was filed on October 22nd. The application serial numbers, they're included there, the 976436605. You can see them. See them right here. There they are, filed October 22nd. And basically, Visa is listed as the owner of these trademarks. The company has partnered with more than 65 crypto firms, including exchanges and wallet service providers, to enable crypto payments at over 80 million merchants. In January of 2021, the Visa CEO, Alfred Kelly, revealed his company's plan to enable crypto trading on its network. Think about that. Visa is going to allow crypto trading on its network. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Anticipating crypto becoming extremely mainstream, not just mainstream. They put an adjective in front of it. Extremely mainstream. He said Visa is diving into crypto in a very, very big way. So basically, that's all you got to know. So here's the deal. Visa is one of the big boys, right? They are expanding their operations in cryptocurrency, and that's a good thing for crypto. So now for me, I'm just positioning myself in the correct projects that I do think is going to survive the bear market, so that when crypto prices explode again, and they will, not financial advice, my humble opinion, you got to be in crypto. You got to be in my opinion. I have to be in crypto. It's a chance of a lifetime. All right, so there you go with Visa. That's a good thing. So, I know right now we're in a bear market. Everything is sucky, sucky, sucky. But I'm just strategically investing. I'm not buying a lot of different cryptos, but I'm buying some BNB, some Atom, and I also buy Seller Network is such a cheap project. I have my own personal goal. I continue to accumulate with small dollar amounts because it's so cheap. And if Seller Network blows up one day, guess what? I'm going to be so freaking rich. Like Seller Network is my Bitcoin back in 2009, 2010. That's how I look at Seller Network. So it could win, it could not win. I don't know. But if it does win, I'm winning. Hashtag winning. Okay. If you haven't already, click on like, subscribe, and share. Remember, sharing is caring. Final news. Let's talk about Dogecoin. For all you Dogecoiners, Dogecoin is up 150% in just 4 days. Now, it's way up. Here's the thing that you have to remember as an investor. Stop buying things when they run up. You don't get rich that way. The way that you buy projects that you like, first of all, determine what it is that you like. Once you find projects that you like and that you believe in, when the project dips, that's when you buy. For example, right now, I'm accumulating BNB token. It's $315 or something like that. I'm not buying BNB, but when it drops, that's when I buy it. Seller Network is down to about 1.5 cents. I'm buying it. Why? Because it's down. Amazon, yes, I buy stocks too. Amazon dropped to like $92 this week. I bought more Amazon. Amazon isn't going anywhere but up. They got AWS, Amazon Web Service. Amazon owns the world. Amazon will go up again, just like some of these projects in the crypto market. So Dogecoin, I think it's related to Elon Musk. It jumped by nearly 75% to reach almost 15 cents on October 29th. That's its biggest daily gain since April 2021. Look at the Dogecoin price. You can take a look at a chart and just take a look at it. And so my thing is, you should be buying it. If you're going to buy it when it's low. Don't buy it when it's high. So when it goes up, then you can sell it and make your profit. Not financial advice. So basically, notably, and it's a meme coin. For me, it doesn't have much of a use. I do not own Dogecoin. I've never owned Dogecoin. I did own Shiba Inu, and thank God made some profit off of it. But notably, the memes coin massive intraday rally came as a part of the broader uptrend that started earlier in the week of October 25th. And I think all of that is just about Elon Musk. You know, they think people who own Dogecoin, they think that Elon Musk is going to do something with it. You know, he just bought and closed on Twitter. Elon Musk, in my opinion, is an unstable leader. Call me old or whatever, I don't care. I like people who are stable. He does too many things that are unconventional for me. And I just like people who are a bit more consistent, not status quo, because I'm invested into cryptocurrency. He just does some crazy stuff that I just don't like. And so he creates too much volatility in the projects that he's involved in. So I'm just not impressed with leaders who intentionally or either don't care about the volatility that they create in their projects. And so that's all I have about Elon. But anyway, Dogecoin has made a lot of millionaires. I think Dogecoin is going to be around probably forever. Who knows? I have no interest in owning it, but you know, you can make a lot of money off of it. People have made millions and billions off of it. So knock yourself out. But you know, it's tied to one man, which is Elon Musk. And I am not interested in a project that is tied merely to one person, because anything can happen to that one person. And when things happen to that one person, it can create a lot of volatility in that project. And that's just, for me, it's too risky. All right. So anyway, that's all I got. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, give me your comments. Tell me, am I wrong about Elon Musk? Tell me if I am. Tell me if I'm being too hard on Elon Musk. Also, tell me what you think about Bitcoin and the Bitcoin miners. Do you think that's a sign with the Bitcoin miners? What's going on with that? Put your comments in, please. Give me your comments. Tell me what you think. What do you think about Visa? I want to hear from you. So there you go. Don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. I'm out.